Hello दोस्तों, today I'm gonna tell you how you can hack Pokemon Go with gamepad or joystick. So let's get started. First of all, guys, you need an app which is called Fake GPS. So you have to open Play Store and write 360 joystick, and it will be the first one. You have to download it, and when you will download it, then basically when you will open it, then it will say you to do some steps, such as you have to enable mock location. First of all, you have to go for that in settings, about phone. In development, you have to go in development, but to unlock development, you have to press 7 times build number. When you will do 7 times, then this over here it will come, you are already now you are a developer. And over here when you will press back, then you will see a developer option. Over there you will go, scroll down, and you will see set mock location app. I have already done it, fake GPS. And after that, when you will open this app, then you can go anywhere. I'm showing you how you can go and how you can enable a joystick. If I have to go to I'm going to basically Paris. When this it will come, you will tap anywhere, this false location it will come. Click on that, and first one you have to tap start service. Then three options are over here: only location, gamepad, joystick 360. Then you can do anyone in gamepad or joystick 360. Basically I'm doing with gamepad. You can go over here and confirm it. After that, this will come, you can ad will come, you can close it by pressing back button. And then we will open Pokemon Go, and let's see if it is working or not. My net is working slow. Now it is open, my Pokemon Go app. See, right over here where I have clicked, I want to go Paris, and right over here I am. Now I will show you how, if it is fake, I will show you it is not fake. See, I press this up one button, it is going in that direction. See, wherever I want to go, I can go easily sitting at home. So guys, I'm ending my video right over here. Please leave a like, and can I get a 10 like, and comment down below next video what you want if you're facing any problem, and subscribe to my channel and press that notification bell.